Hey Emily, how you doing? No school for you guys. Oof, that's rough. I think we're supposed to get like a dusting. Let's see. We are supposed to get snow in the morning. But it says less than 1 inch. Yeah. Yeah, my kids are all like, oh, I don't want to go to school. I'm like, you're going to school. You're going to school, kiddies. It's time. It will if we get enough. But not for like an inch. Oh yeah, no. No, not for this. Nope. Not that lucky. So let's see. Oh, so this is the here credit screen. Everything's all screwed up because I had to reload like the whole project to get the stupid adaptive coding thing working. Oh. Should be on ultra. Let's go back in there. Credits. So what do you want this to say again? Want this to say, Emily? You want your name there, or like that for now, or again, this is for the WebGL, so I don't know what exactly do you want. You tell me. That's fine. Okay. Let me I wanted to in a little bit. Watched Wicked today with the kids. Well, actually, we had to split it over two sessions because the movie's like 3 hours, and it was pretty good. I really liked it. Wicked, the movie, the new movie. Wish I could make this a little wider. Can't edit this. Screen. Yeah, I had to reload the whole project because I was getting this error on some Unity component that I really wanted to use. I don't like that dash. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. I don't like this dash here. Think like just say M audio. We would put the dash there. I think that's better. People know you as M Audio. I think that'd be better. And then when we do the actual game, we can put our names. But... I mean, unless you really want me to change it, just let me know. All the assets we're using. It's like so slow. Yeah, exactly. Save this. See, this keeps coming up, and I don't know what this is. And it has something to do with the fact that I reset the game. I don't know what this is. I think when I start the actual game, I'm going to start from a brand new project. What is your name on itch.io? Oh. Oh. Wish I knew what was causing this. We're still baking. Duplicate this. Call this settings. Duplicate this. Call this. I will try it in a second. I wanted to bake the lighting, and we can check out the sounds if you're still around. Yeah. Well, I mean, technically, you can hold down the hammer. You can hold down the mouse button to keep swinging. So, I probably was just doing that, and it was just because it's timed, right? Every time it swings, there's like a delay. Saying there's a invalid value for font, missing reference. And I don't remember where I set that. There's like a default font you could set for the things, and I probably changed it. Like I don't know if I said this already, but I think when I work on the game itself, I'm gonna I'm going to start in a new project from scratch, and copy stuff over. This way, I can start clean and not have to worry about like any of this crap that is coming up. Persistent allocates to find out more. Leak detected. Great. Hopefully that's not a problem. Okay. Yeah, like I thought it was here. Panel settings. Maybe it's the runtime theme. Runtime theme. Default theme. No. Colors. Rules. The font's here. This is the default theme. It's under project settings, UI toolkit. Okay. Well, that's actually would be. All right. Don't know where else it could be. I know the only setting things we create is this panel settings. Well, maybe no, it did specifically say UI toolkit, I think. Yes, we do take beach vacations. Occasionally. I'm not a big fan of the beach, but the kids love it, so we go when we can during the summer. Mostly the ones on in New York, which is where we were from originally. So we visit family. I've been down to Outer Banks. That was nice. We went there once. We had US South. Well, I mean, you know, we vacation in Florida. But we typically go to Disney. Where is that? I don't know where that is. Wally's Island, North Carolina. Nice. So the lighting is built now. So let's go into the game. And let's, excuse me. Let's pause this here for a second. Alright, so we're looking for placement sounds. So oh, this is way too bright in here now. Crap. That is way too bright. Okay, we'll fix that. We're looking for placement, so I need wood. This is the problem with lighting, is that like so oop. I don't think I updated the hammer sounds. Let's fix some stuff here. So, Jesus, let's fix these lights. So we had this god-awful yellow color. Let's make it a little bit more white. Make it significantly less intense. Let's keep the range. And then let's let's rebake that lighting. I think it should be more orangey too. Not so yellowy, orangey, reddish. Okay. And then let's rebake while we wait. And then we got to fix the hammer. So where do I do that? I forget where I do that. Where do I do the hammer sounds? That's the placement. That's the footsteps. I think it's actually on the object. Craftables, buildable here. I want to change these to be unlit shaders. So universal render pipeline. Don't want them affected by light. Universal render pipeline, unlit. Okay, so that should be that. And then we go back to buildable. Collapse this stuff. Yes, health, interaction, damage with the hammer. Audio damage. So, okay, here we go. It's one of these. So that's when it's made. Okay, so this is the craft hammer. So then we're going to replace this with renovation sounds, build chest. Is that right? Yes, that's what it should be. Yeah. Okay. And then I think the physics, I have to fix the physics because that looks like that got reset. Yes, it did. So resource should not collide with that. In fact, player obstacle should only collide with the player. And this layer 12, it's funny because when I redid everything, I cleared everything out, right? Everything in the project. I had to reload the whole thing. And my layers got screwed up. These got reset. And I was like, oh crap. I don't remember what I did. So I put in all like layers like 1 through 6 through 15. And then I had to go into my stuff and say, oh, okay, this was an object. So layer 8 was an object. And then this, but I have this layer 12 and I don't remember what it was for. So it's just called layer 12 and I can't find what layer 12 equates to. So it just will have to be layer 12 for now. Like I keep clicking around to see if like I see layer 12 pop up on anything, but I don't. Damn layer 12. Like I got everything else except layer 12. So this is still building. Then once it's done, I can use the light probes. I can, because I figured that out. The light probes. Well, you missed it. Before, I used to have like another passageway out of here. There was like another one of these hallways over here. And apparently I was like, oh, I'm just going to make it